close tight. Nobody ain't coming to save you. Nobody ain't coming to save you. Like your mama, like your daddy, like your cousin. Nobody. It is you versus you. You versus you. 24/7. Every single day. Get to work. I'm keep saying that out my mouth. Why? Because I want y'all on the other side. Instead of be on this side. I want y'all on this side. Every last person who subscribed to me, I want y'all on the other side. Be courageous. Be courageous, bro. Not consumers. Do not be a consumer. Be on this side right here. Not this side. There's too many consumers in the world. There's too many consumers. Simple as that. Just too many consumers. It's time to be more. It need more to be courageous around. So get into it. Is you gonna take that leap for faith? Is you? Is you gonna be the one in your family to be brave? Be brave in her? Is you gonna be the brave one? Is you gonna be the brave man? Is you gonna be the brave woman? Are you? Let's test it out today. That's a test for y'all. Every last one of you who watching me, let's see who will be the brave one from our family. Is it gonna be you or is it gonna be somebody else? Take the path of unknown instead of the same path as everybody else. Is you brave enough for that? Is you down for that? Test yourself on that. Test yourself. And to have an easy life, you don't have to go for the hard stuff. Sad but true. Everybody want an easy life, but they don't want no easy life. They want to chase the easy stuff. And that's how you live a hard life. Instead of chasing the hard life, to have the easy life. Go for it. Thirsty much. At some point in your life, you're gonna have to stop caring what others have to say about you. I promise you. That's how you're gonna make it in life. You're gonna make it far more than everybody else around the world. If you start caring what everybody has to say. That's how you make it far. That's how you become successful. Listen to what God has to say about you. Not human beings. Not men. That's the word that we use in the Bible for human beings, is men. Oh yay. Yeah, yeah, I believe. But one of the worst is men. And that's women or men. You know, you have to stop caring what people has to say about you. It's the only way you can be out of this world. And educate yourself with books and everything. Meditation, cold showers. Feel me? And have a good diet. This thing toast.